Today we will discuss on the topic brokers and SEBI. The regulation of the functioning of brokers starts with registration of the brokers. The registration is given on the basis of the eligibility to be a member of any stock exchange. Infrastructure facilities like adequate office space, equipment and manpower. He should have past experience in the business of buying, selling and dealing in securities. Capital adequacy norms are laid down depending on the stock exchanges and the member turnover. Registration fees also has to be paid by the brokers. Code of conduct is laid down for every stock broker to be registered with SEBI. The code seeks to ensure that a broker should not indulge in malpractice and manipulation. The code of conduct deals with brokers' duty towards execution of orders, issue of contract note, breach of trust, fairness to clients, and investment advice. Contract notes are to be show transparency in deals regarding price, brokerage, and service tax. The contract notes and bills are to be passed duly on time, failing which brokers are liable to be penalties depending on the days of default. Brokers shall have to furnish SEBI a copy of the audited balance sheet and profit and loss account within 6 months of each accounting period. Brokers are expected to preserve the books of account and other records for a minimum period of 5 years. SEBI has the right to inspect brokers' book of account, other records and documents and can appoint qualified auditors to investigate into the books of accounts. Regional offices are set up by the SEBI to attend the complaints against broker and stock exchanges. The regional offices are set up in New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Mumbai. Disciplinary actions such as reprimand, warning, suspension and cancellation of the registration are taken against the erring stock brokers. A penalty of suspension of registration of a stockbroker may be imposed if the stockbroker violates the provision of the Act, rules and regulations. The stockbroker does not follow the code of conduct laid down by SEBI and the stockbroker fails to furnish the information related to his securities as required by the board, furnish wrong or false information, does not submit periodically returns as required by the board, does not cooperate in any inquiry conducted by the board. The stockbroker fails to resolve the complaint of the investor or fails to give satisfactory reply to the board in this behalf. The stockbroker indulges in manipulating price or concerning activities in the market. The stockbroker is guilty of misconduct. The financial position of the stockbroker deteriorates to such an extent that the board is in the opinion of that his continuance in security business is not in the interest of investor and the other stockbrokers. The stockbroker fails to pay the fees. The stockbroker violates the condition of registration. The membership of the stockbroker is suspended by the stock exchange. Penalty of cancellation of registration of a stockbroker may be imposed if the stockbroker violates any provision of insider trading regulations or takeover regulations. Stockbroker is guilty of fraud or is convicted of a criminal offence and cancellation of membership of the stockbroker by the stock exchange. Thanks.